What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie and we are back with the Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is not going to be a good video. This is going to be a video that a lot of Jeep owners might not like and might not agree with me, but since I do a lot of videos on the Jeep, like the DIY video on the oil change and the 3 things that I hate and why we actually decided to purchase this Jeep after our lease was over, I'm going to do this video. So something unusual happened with the Jeep that it ended up breaking down on us. And you know, it's wifey's car, it's a daily driver, she commutes with it every single day with the kids and it needs to keep moving and being safe. So what happened with the Jeep was there was a road noise that was coming from the rear end of the vehicle. First, my initial thoughts were that it was probably a tire and the inside of the tread was worn out, so I replaced the tire. But then it kept going and going. It was a whining noise. It was like a really annoying noise. Her as a lady, she just put the music up and continued on with driving, but for me it was really bothering me, and I wanted to figure out what the noise was all about for it to be safe on the road. So let's come to the rear wheel. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of damage from this issue and what has happened. So if we bend down right here closer, if you come in here and you look at the rotor, you're going to notice right there that there's a little bit of wear right in the middle of the rotor. So what has happened here is we had an issue with the rear. I'll show you guys the part. So I didn't do it myself. I didn't want to make it a DIY project because I didn't have the pressure machine or whatever you want to call it for the wheel, the rear wheel bearing, I guess, whatever's left of it. So this little thing right here went, and this was what was causing the noise. Now when we took out the rear rim and you shake this rear rotor, it wasn't sturdy, it was moving, so we knew that we had issues with this right here. We replaced it. The problem is this vehicle right now is out of warranty, and because it's out of warranty, it actually, the factory warranty is 3 years and 36,000 miles. This car has 50,000 miles right now. It's out of warranty. But this part, why I wanted to make a video on the wheel bearing and axles and stuff like that, this Jeep that she commutes is not a, it's a LAREDO. It's a base model. It's not a 4x4. She does not go off-roading, not any type of terrain, nothing but regular, you know, California pavements, just to be safe with having an SUV for the kids. So for it to go at like 49,000 miles, these usually last between 75 to 100,000 miles, and for it to go and for us to pay a few $100 out of pocket. Now I don't want to complain about the money aspect of it, of repairing this vehicle, and I'm not just making a video on how to do it obviously, but I'm making a video like it shouldn't have went. And I don't know if it was a factory defect with this one particular one, or this is something that there is a weakness with the Jeeps. I wanted to make this video and show that a Jeep Grand Cherokee LAREDO that was used for daily use, just for as a family vehicle to get around town, no off-roading, no rock climbing, obviously nothing like that, and for it to go at 50,000 miles. I don't know if any of you guys have this vehicle and experienced it. Comment down below. Just wanted to share our thoughts and our opinion on this issue. It was like close to $400 to be replaced, and you know, labor and parts. We did the brakes, we did the tire, but we didn't touch the rotor for now. I think I'll do that on next time around when I'm replacing the brakes. Just wanted to make this video as an update for all of you guys that have Jeeps. Comment below if you guys had similar issues, what issues you had. If you do have a Jeep, or if you're looking to buy a Jeep, here's some new information for you guys. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for joining in. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.